Hi there, so as you know, unfortunately, the HDO box as well as other movie apps on Fire Sticks were recently blocked. So today I'll show you the best alternative, which you can use in 2026 to access loads of content on your device. The process is super easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And the first step is you need to get that app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. To do so, we go to search and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is that app, which you gotta get to your device. Then, after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because we'll still need to set it up. To do so, we'll go to the settings, open the settings, then go to My Fire TV, open it up, and now the next step is we need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to installation of unknown apps. From here, you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we head back to a list of apps on your device, and there is Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in here is just connect to any server, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So head back to a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. So we open the Downloader application, and here at the top, there is a search bar, which you gotta enter, and now it's time to input a code. So the code is gonna be 26355511. Again, it is 26355511. That's the code you will need to enter. Then click on next right here. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Stick devices. And now the download of the app might start automatically, or perhaps we'll have to click on some button. In my case, it started automatically. So just wait for the download to finish. Then you would need to click install and just give it some time. Then don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. Then we get back to a list of applications on the Fire TV Stick, and usually this new app should appear here at the back of the list. And that's right, here is this new application. Let's open it. And now inside I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So you will find a lot of movies, TV shows, and other content as well. Make sure to hit the like button below if the video is helpful. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.